And the race is on. Coquette, amazing pace. Real Heaven down on the inside is Fabiola. Storyline from the outside. Moving up is Reporter. Hardway is racing in 7th position. Coquette, amazing pace. Down on the inside is Fabiola. Real Heaven alongside Storyline, Reporter, and Hardway is running in 7th position by about 7 or 8 lengths from the leader. Coquette, amazing pace. Fabiola is running by the Reporter, Real Heaven, Storyline, and Hardway. Rounding the far turn, Coquette, amazing pace, and Fabiola is running by the Real Heaven, Storyline, Reporter, and Hardway. As they round the last 500, Coquette, amazing pace, Danori inside, Storyline, and here comes Real Heaven, Fabiola, Hardway now moving up from the outside. It's Coquette, amazing pace, Real Heaven, Fabiola, Storyline, Hardway rushing up from the outside. It's now Real Heaven, Coquette down on the inside, amazing pace, Hardway rushing up, moves up to take the lead. It's now Hardway, and finally Hardway, amazing pace, Real Heaven, Coquette, Storyline, Fabiola, Reporter, and Terry Toon comes last.